Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna have something different. Maiba-iba naman. And, yun. I'm gonna do the 5-minute makeup challenge. Oh my gosh. Sobrang nervous ko. Kasi usually guys, pag nagme-makeup ako, it took me like 1 hour to prep up my skin or to prep up everything in here. Masyado siyang malaki kaya kailangan ng sobrang allotted time para sa kanya. Nakaset na yung aking timer for 5 minutes. Sino ba yung timer ko? Hindi makita eh, pero nakaset na siya ng 5 minutes. Okay. Am I ready? Am I not ready? 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 Wait. So, ninervous ako.
Nag-libre ni Mami.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, ready? Ready?
Muna hawakan yan.
I'm gonna touch it.
Ready, set, go!
Okay. So,
I'm using Yvonne Skinless BB Cream. Hindi ko ma-open! Face. How serious I am. Kasi bro, kulang ako ng oras. Just to even out the skin tone. Just to even out the skin tone. Iyaan mo na kung managlag muna, anak. Even ba? Siyempre kanina dinam ko na itong aking blender. Just gonna make sure that everything is blended right. Kasi baka magkaroon ng pachi-pachi. Bango ng aking blender ba? Diba? Ng sponge. Okay. Okay lang na okay. Then, I'm gonna use a... Where's my concealer? Okay. My concealer, this is from Revlon Photo Ready Concealer. I'm just gonna put a few aking dark area. And then, my blender. Just doing this very, very quick. Oh my gosh! 3 minutes na lang. Okay, let's stop. And then I'm gonna get my Collection Lasting Perfection powder. And rest this all over my face. Bayan, ito lang ilang minuto na. Okay, I have to stop. 2 minutes na lang? Hala! I'm gonna do my brows now. So, this is Maybelline Brow. Just making sure everything is everything. That's not even my eye. I just have to make sure that this is my eye. And I'm gonna top it off with this Everbanana London. Kasi parang, para. I'm gonna contour. I'll be using this Sansan Beef Earth Brown. Yung single eyeshadow. 1 minute. Hala! 1 minute na lang! Bakit yan 1 minute? Wait. Then I'm gonna blush. Where's my blush? This is Lancome Rose Coquette blush. Ano yan? Before everything is done, mag-lipstick na. Where's my lipstick? Ah! Ilang minutes na lang? I didn't... 30 seconds! Where's my eyeliner? So I'm gonna do... I didn't do any, 20 seconds. Oh my gosh, this is hard. 10 seconds. Oh, 10 seconds! Oh my gosh, why so hard? 5 seconds! Time's up! Ay, meron pa! Hindi, ayan pa, 1 minute pa. 1 minute. So I'm just gonna do that. I get my eyeshadow. This is really, really bad. I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna use the same palette. This is really bad. And mascara. Oh my gosh, 3 seconds!
Time's up.
This is bad. But it was fun. This is bad makeup. Ang hirap pala pag pressured ka ng oras, ang pangit na nagagawa mo. Pero okay naman siya, parang okay lang. Wala lang. Parang wala. Ang gulo.
Every
I should have blended this out well.
Every video mo bago ka mag-makeup, mag 5 minutes ka muna.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please do give us a big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to join my channel and hit that red button down there. And also follow me in Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and Snapchat. I'll be linking that in the description box. And Daphne's Snapchat too will be in the description box. And yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching this. Nag-enjoy ako, yes. Sobra. Pero, sobrang hirap. And, yun lang. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you soon. And have a great day and happy day too. Bye!